Do you ever feel self-doubt hovering just out of sight, tugging at your confidence, quietly telling you that you're falling short, even when people around you say you're doing great? I'm Leanna, your gentle guide for this story meditation. By the end of this session, you will feel stronger, anchored and illuminated, as if that shadow has lifted, and your own light now fills the space. Take a slow, deep breath in, letting your chest expand fully. Exhale softly, feeling the weight of doubt ease from your shoulders. Again, inhale fully, drawing in warmth and clarity. Exhale, releasing tension and letting your mind soften. Imagine stepping into a quiet valley at dawn, a place you've never visited before, yet somehow you recognize. The air is cool, the earth beneath your feet is steady, and ahead of you stretches a soft golden glow, the first light of morning spilling between distant hills. As you walk forward, you notice a gentle rustling beside you. At first, you think it's the wind, but then you see it. A thin, wavering shadow trailing behind you. It's the shape of your doubts, the familiar whisper that has followed you for years. Not dangerous, not loud, just always there. But today is different because you're not running from it. You're walking with awareness, with calm, with purpose. You pause and take another slow inhale, allowing your body to feel grounded and tall. As you exhale, your shoulders drop, and the shadow beside you flickers. It doesn't disappear, not yet, but it loosens its grip. It grows lighter, softer, almost curious. Softly repeat in your mind, I'm allowed to be exactly who I am right now. You continue down the path toward the golden horizon. Each step feels steadier, as if the earth itself is encouraging you to move forward. When you reach the valley's center, you find a small pool of still water, so calm it reflects the sky like glass. Kneel beside it, let silence surround you. As the sunlight reaches the surface, it begins to shimmer, soft ripples glowing like warm firelight. The shadow behind you steps forward, and for the first time, you see that it isn't your enemy, just a quiet part of you longing to feel safe, to be acknowledged. You place your hand over your heart and breathe gently, deeply. Inhale, confidence rising. Exhale, doubt softening. As you breathe, the sunlight brightens, spreading across the pool and into your own reflection. And suddenly, your reflection begins to glow. not with blinding intensity, but with a warm, steady radiance, a calm, grounded strength. Your shadow slowly dissolves, fading into the golden light, not gone forever, but transformed, integrated. Quietly echo inside yourself, I am growing in ways I once thought impossible. And softly say inwardly, every part of me is welcome in the light. Take a slow, steady breath in, letting clarity rise through your chest, filling every corner of your body with warmth and calm. Exhale softly, feeling space open inside you, releasing any weight you no longer need to carry. Notice the lightness in your shoulders, the quiet strength in your spine, the steady rhythm of your heart reminding you, you are resilient, you are awake, you are alive. Knowing that the heaviness that once lingered has begun to dissolve, and that you are always safe, always supported, and radiant in your own truth. Quietly repeat in your mind, I carry the dawn within me. Every step is lit by my own light. Feel it resonate through your body, like roots grounding you, like sunlight spilling warmth through your chest. Take another deep breath in, letting calm and courage settle through your entire being. Exhale, releasing fear and doubt, and quietly echo inside, I am the unfolding of possibility. I rise from within. Once more, inhale fully, drawing in clarity, strength, and hope. Exhale, and softly say inwardly, my presence shapes my world. My light meets the day. Feel this truth settle into your bones, anchoring you for every moment ahead. Open your eyes when you feel ready, carrying this renewed presence with you. If this journey resonated with you, subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where immersive, restorative meditations nurture your mind, your heart, and your spirit.